2018 Ford Raptor F150. Although the F150 rides on a fully boxed ladder frame with a quartet of muscular engines designed to tow, haul, or drag nearly everything under the sun, the full-size Ford can be outfitted with a menu of luxury features that wouldn't be out of place in a limousine. Consider the following: a 2018 Ford F150 Limited includes active lane control, leather upholstery everywhere, a sound system designed with Bang & Olufsen, 22-inch wheels, and more cameras than a courthouse. The 2018 Ford F150 comes in 7 trims with available 5 engines, 2 transmissions, 3 bed lengths, 3 cab configurations, and 2 drive options. A 3.0-liter turbodiesel V6 will arrive for the first time in the Ford F150 and will go on sale in summer 2018. The F150 earns a 7.2 on our overall scale thanks to its good looks and versatility. We'd be hard-pressed to find value in top trims of the truck. It's just the state of the market right now, and official crash data and fuel economy info haven't been released. Read more about how we rate cars. No two F150s leaving the factory need to be alike, so we encourage shoppers to consider our subsections before trying to decide what F150 might fit their needs. For 2018, Ford redesigned the front and rear of the F150 to more closely align with their Super Duty range, which is now more related to the light-duty truck. The 2018 F150's grills are more macho and the tailgates are more expressive, if that's your thing. This year, all F150s adopt a standard start-stop feature that decreases fuel consumption while idling, and more trims take on a 10-speed automatic to improve fuel economy, if that's your thing instead. Ford's truck casts a wide net. The 2018 Ford F150 XL is a fleet special, basic work truck with a Spartan interior. The Ford F150 Raptor is a desert sports car. The 2018 Ford F150 Platinum rivals many luxury vehicles. The 2018 Ford F150 remains instantly recognizable as a truck, although some of the details have been revised this year. The truck's front grills and bumpers have changed since last year, and most trucks will feature the same 2 long, horizontal bars across their snouts featured on the Super Duty range. Sport packages and appearance add-ons can swap out the bars for a black honeycomb mop, with the overall idea being that in 2018 Ford F150 XLT with an SXT appearance package won't look like a 2018 Ford F150 King Ranch. It's a good look, although it strikes us as being different this year for difference sake. We gave a point above average for the sharp exterior and the straightforward interior, even if some of the materials are of questionable quality. It turns a 7 out of 10 on our style scale. The F150's headlights now better frame the chrome more plastic grille bars, although sport-trimmed trucks still get small inserts that effectively function as dead spaces between the bracket-shaped headlights and grille. Along the sides, the F150 eschews most body stampings in its aluminum construction to better cheat the wind for fractionally better improved fuel economy, and probably to save money. Around back, the F150 uses more distinctive stampings in its tailgates to further differentiate the trims. This 2018 Ford F150 Lariat models, for instance, have a big F150 stamped into the tailgate, which others have an aluminum finish. The F150 has evolved inside too. The interiors of some trucks are now shod with upscale leather interiors, a large touchscreen for infotainment, and a big LCD screen planted between the instruments for secondary information. Most versions of the F150 retain the big-handed controls and dials that trucks should have, while real wood and leather trims help add richness where it may not be necessary all the time, or even a consideration by the buyer.